Hello students, welcome to Excel Maths. So we are actually discussing expanding brackets only, expanding double brackets. Here we have extended question. That means our x is not the alone x, it will be having some coefficients. And this is type 2. Type 1 we already have discussed. So type 2 where we are going to be talking about two brackets where the first one is positive but the other one is negative. So say for example it's 2x plus 5 and it's 3x minus 7. Okay, how to do that? Exactly the same as earlier we discussed, and the second term, the entire bracket. Right, 2x. What's the second bracket? 3x minus 7. Then we have the other term, that is plus 5, and the second bracket 3x minus 7. Okay, now it becomes the single bracket expansion. So let's do what's 2x times 3x. So 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. 2x times minus 7, it's minus 14x. 5 times 3x is a positive 15x. 5 times minus 7 is a negative 35. Correct? Further simplifying here, so it will be 6x squared minus 14x plus 15x will give us a positive x minus 35. Right? Okay, so here we're going to be talking about the shortcut quickly. You can just comment if there's something you're not understanding or you need more assistance to do these type of questions. So we have the first bracket 2x plus 5 and the other bracket is 3x minus 7. What we do first is take the numbers or the terms with x, just multiply them together. So 2 times 3 is 6 and x times x is x squared. Okay, now let's take the closer numbers like 5 times 3 and 2 times minus 7. So what is 5 times 3? Is 15. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14. That gives you a positive 1. Okay, what is 5 times minus 7? That is minus 35. So let's fix it here. So it gives us a positive 1x and a minus 35. A positive 1x is nothing but x and minus 35. That's what our answer is. A lot of things actually are going to be playing major role in here, especially the symbols. You should know what's minus plus and what's when we are multiplying a positive number with a negative number. See you soon in next lesson. Till then, bye bye. Take care.